Hey guys, if you don't already know me, I'm Catherine. I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to maintain facial hair. Here's my lovely model. This is my husband Evan, and we're just going to be shaping up his beard and making it pretty again. Evan maintains his beard pretty regularly. I would say he trims it up maybe once a week just to keep it professional looking because he still has a job and has Zoom meetings to attend. So first we're going to get an electric shave lotion. This is just going to allow us to get a closer shave with less irritation. You can also use a pre-shave powder or talc, which is especially great for people with sensitive skin because it doesn't contain alcohol. But you really just want something that provides some sort of lubrication. That way the shaver isn't creating as much friction. Then I'm just going to take Evan's beard brush and brush his beard out. When shaping your facial hair, you can do the outline first, or you can trim up your beard and then outline. It's really just personal preference. So I'm going to outline first and create the shape. I'm just going to follow the natural shape of Evan's beard and really just get rid of any stragglies. And I'm just going to use the trimmers to stamp where I want the line to be and then shave anywhere outside that line. Then I'm going to brush his hair back towards his ear and create a line down from his jaw. This is where you can get creative, and if you don't have a square jaw, you can kind of create a square shape. So you can make your jaw more or less defined depending on what you're wanting. And we repeat on the other side, trying to be as symmetrical as we can. Now for trimming a mustache, you just want to follow the lip line. Once you think you've gotten a good trim, brush it out one more time and just get those stragglies. Okay, so for me, this is the most important part of shaping a beard, is the beard neckline. If you do it too high, it's gonna diminish your jawline and make it look like you don't have a chin. And if you do it too low, you just have neck beard. A way to get this perfect every time is to put your finger right above your Adam's apple, and that should be where your line is. Just like before, I'm gonna stamp the line that I want and then shave everything underneath. And unlike traditional shaving, with electric shaving, you want to go against the grain. Then I'll just do a light dust of talcum powder and then go in with a close shave razor. This is just going to get those little hairs just to make it that much more crisp and clean of a line. So if you're trying to maintain a long-ish beard like Evan is, you want to start with the biggest guard that you have and then go down from there until you start hitting hair. That way you don't over trim your beard and lose all that length that you've worked so hard to grow. And you can just keep going down in guard size until you find the length that you really like. For Evan, it's going to be a 15mm guard, and we're just going to do that all around. Again, you just want to follow the path that your hair grows, going against the grain to trim that up. To negate any dryness or ingrown hairs, I'm just going to use some aftershave moisturizer and really pat that in, and then get some beard balm to not only moisturize the hair, but the skin underneath. Then we just brush it out one last time, and wow, hey, look at that difference. Whew, hey now. And that's it. If you have somebody in your life that maybe you want to send a subtle message to, like, hey, maybe clean up your facial hair a little bit, let me be that messenger. Do you hear that person? They're sending you a message. Trim your beard or mustache. Until next time, like, subscribe, and share to the ugly mugs in your life.